English conversation practice. This conversation between a beginner and a native. Hey, how was your day?
It was good. I had classes and then hung out with friends. How about yours?
Not bad. What did you study in class?
We learned about history and some math. It was a bit challenging, but I managed.
Nice. What's your favorite subject?
Probably English. I enjoy reading and writing stories.
Cool. Any plans for the weekend?
I might go to the park or watch a movie. What about you?
I am thinking of playing video games and maybe going for a bike ride.
Sounds fun. Let me know if you want company.
Will do. By the way, have you tried that new restaurant downtown?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yeah, I went there last week. The food was amazing.
I'll definitely check it out then. Thanks for the recommendations.
Speaking of food, do you have any favorite dish?
I really like pasta, especially with Alfredo sauce. How about you?
I am a fan of pizza. Can't resist a good slice. What toppings do you prefer on your pizza?
I usually go for mushrooms and olives. Simple but tasty. And you?
Pepperoni all the way. Classic choice. Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets right now, but I've always wanted a dog. What about you?
I have a cat named Whiskers. He's adorable but can be quite mischievous.
That's cute. Cats are so playful. Any favorite hobbies or things you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy playing the guitar and sometimes painting. How about you?
I like photography and reading. It helps me relax after a busy day.
Nice. We should totally plan a day to share our hobbies. It could be fun.
Absolutely. Let's make it happen soon.
By the way, have you watched any interesting movies or TV shows lately?
Yeah, I recently watched a comedy series that had me laughing nonstop. It was a great stress buster.
Sounds fun. I am always on the lookout for something new to watch. Any recommendations?
Definitely. Try watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine if you haven't already. It's hilarious.
Thanks for the suggestions. I will check it out. Do you have any favorite type of music?
I like a bit of everything, but I lean towards pop and indie. What about you?
Rock and alternative are my go-to genres. Do you play any musical instrument?
Not really, but I can play a few chords on the piano. What about you?
I play the drums. It's a great way to let off some steam. Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I went to a live music festival last summer. It was so much fun. Have you attended any concerts?
I went to a rock concert a few months ago. The energy in the crowd was amazing.
That sounds awesome. We should definitely plan to go to a concert together sometime.
Our conversation ends here. Subscribe for more.